My name is Tone Win, and this is for CIS 5372 spring semester of 2018. The exploit is to show you how to get into Windows without knowing the password. You'll need a Windows 10 disk, which you can now download off of Microsoft's website. Once you download that, once you download that, you will just place it into the computer and restart the machine and boot to the disk. And I apologize for this demonstration. I am using a free version of the screen capture, so there will be a watermark on there, and again, I do apologize for that. Once you boot to the disk, you will click next, and here you would choose repair your computer. What we are looking for here is to get to the command prompt. I'm sorry. So you'll just use troubleshoot and command prompt. And once you get to the command prompt, you would do a disk part to see what is actually where the Windows install is located. So if you look here, I have 49 gigs here, which is located on my D drive, and the other drives are very small, so I'm pretty sure that Windows sits on my D drive. Then I'll use a few DOS commands to copy and move some files over. When you see the one file is moved, you know that you have done it correctly. So now I'm showing that these two files are moved and copied over correctly. I will need to restart the machine. Alright, so once the machine is restarted, what I'm actually doing is I'm using this to open up a command prompt. The commands that I did a while ago will force that to open up a command prompt. And from here I can use NetUser to create a user to log in. And the command is NetUser, and I can make up any name for any user I want. I'm just going to call it test, and then add. So now the user test is created. I will put that user into the local administrator group so that I will have full admin access. So now test has been added as the local administrator on this machine. And again, I will exit and reboot the machine. As you can see, the user test has been created here, and I can log in as test now. I do apologize for this running a little slow. It is a virtual machine, and I did allocate too much power to this machine. So once that user test logs in, because it is an administrative account, I can actually go to control panel eventually. And in control panel, I go to user accounts, and I can remove the password from the account that was locked out. We'll change the password. In this case, I will change it to 1234, 1234. Change password, and I can sign out. And since I've changed the password, I can actually log into this user now with 1234 was the new password. And that will allow me in. So this is one of the exploits of Windows 10. And again, all you need is a Windows 10 key and a few DOS commands, and you can take over any computer that you like. Thank you for watching.